So here we are trying to charge the very first shell, the very first cell, and I put a little fan because that thing was getting quite hot. Then we have this charger, and you can see the specs here in case you want to buy it. And here it started to pull in 2.5 amps. Now it's down to 1, and it passed already like 18 hours. Let's see how it takes. Hello everybody, so we are back here still trying to charge all these cells. There are so many, so I decided to charge 5 at a time. Maybe next time I'll try to charge 10 or 20. And nevertheless, maybe it doesn't make any difference because I'm charging always at 0.88 amps, and I've been told I can charge each cell at 1 amp. So since there are 5 connected, I can set that thing DC to 5 amps. You can stand it but the heat dissipator, I don't know the exact name. Anyway, that thing get really hot already when you reach 2 amps. But anyway, maybe you can stand it. But I decided to charge at 0.88 anyway, because someone told me that these cells have been stored for like 6-7 months. They all look okay, and I'm charging all at the same voltage. I'm charging all of them at 3.3 volts, and then I'll mount them on the car and put a BMS and all the other things. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Okay, this time we are charging like 15 batteries all together with this little charger. It's gonna take forever, and yeah, that's pretty much. Let's wait and see how long it's gonna take. Right now it absorbs 0.6070 amps because this battery were in between 3.20 3.27 volts, and now we are trying to equalize all of them at 3.3 more or less.